Well, you see the sign, The Pines at Sugar Creek by Toll Brothers Regency. I think Toll Brothers really came to grips with the fact that when they built that first Regency product down near the Palisades, that man, oh man, there's a demand for their product and 55 plus. Now, interestingly enough, they kind of followed the market trends down there at Regency at Palisades in that early on, you know, they realized that people wanted those ranch homes. Even though that's not 55 plus, it sure feels like 55 plus, but now this one, the brand is solid now. It's Toll Brothers Regency, just like there's Coulter Homes Crestwind, just like there's Pulte Del Webb. It's their 55 plus brand, and if really the Pines at Sugar Creek is taking hold like it is, teaching anybody anything, it's that, hey, guess what? This is something that people want. So now this neighborhood feels mature already. But guys, they've still got a long ways to go to build it out, and we can help you build from scratch, or as we often say, build from dirt, where you pick everything out. But when you think about it, depending on your button, depending on what's important to you, your time frame, your budget, etc. Now we're back on the model home cul-de-sac, which is just gorgeous. Then building from dirt may not be your best option. By the way, the lifestyle director is operating right here inside this beautiful home, which is a model as well. And that's the Mallard right there. And then they've got their kind of standard Tahoma. Look at that gorgeous product. So guys, you never want to come out here alone. You always want to have a buyer agent with you. Salespeople are awesome. They're really good, but you need your own representation, and they're willing to pay our fee if you would let us come in with you at the beginning. It's that with any builder. In fact, I'm getting ready to meet my broker partner, Rodney Jones, right across the street at the, it's not 55 plus, it's basically a Taylor Morrison neighborhood that offers ranch and two-story homes. And we're gonna see about a really great luxury ranch there. So again, there's another option. You buy a house in a 55 plus, that's what my wife and I did, and boy, are we glad. Or you buy a really lovely ranch home in a neighborhood that's not exclusive to the people like me with gray hair. I'll tell you what, there's nothing like it, guys. And with the amenity center coming here, it's going to take on a whole new dimension. But you're probably asking, well, what about pricing? How much are these houses? Well, that's where you call me. It's 704-345-3400, bam, and then you got dirt. That's where you call me, and here's why. Prices change. The builders are very much attuned to their profit margins and how much they can get for a house, how much they can get for a lot, really, because some lots are much more desirable than others. Well, that's going to be a retaining wall. Can tell that right now. And so, you know, the prices do fluctuate. They really do. Now, here's where the amenity is going to be. You can see they've got a really good looking pool, pickleball courts, etc. And so they're working on that now. They know that that's important to the residents that are here and to the residents that are coming. But there are some amazing lots back here, guys. Now, one thing to be aware of, so there you go, that's going to be a lovely amenity. Look at this promenade, I'm calling it that. On the right of me, there are home sites that are basements. This area of green space is something that you would definitely enjoy looking out at and walking. Another basement lot over to my right, but over to my left is what I'm looking at, that this is going to be developed into a really neat, another basement, 260 lot, 260 on my right. This is going to be a really neat amenity, just even if it's just grass, right? So a couple of these are sold, these basement lots. Bottom line, folks, it's time to get on board the Pines at Sugar Creek train, because the train has definitely left the station. Now, my team, if you're moving from the greater Charlotte area, we would love to come and see your home. By the way, Zillow ain't been in your house. So Zestimates, nah, come on now. Let's get a real live experienced real estate agent. Oh, wait a minute. I'm always turning over to look at a 3-car garage home. Wow, wow, wow. Good looking product, guys. But to have a real experienced agent in your home to hear from you what you've done to the house and look around and help you develop a strategic plan to make your move, and also to time your move. you think about it, to time your move so that everything from the financing to the move dates is copacetic. Really important to have an agent. So we'd love to do that. Give me a call. They're all out doing stuff. 704 is my number. 704-345-3400. My team, we've got four great agents. We can help you list and sell your house on both sides of the North Carolina-South Carolina state line. And we'd love to be your buyer agents and help you come here and see the whole market, really. Because the Pines of Sugar Creek is not the only ball game in town. There are several hot 55 plus communities that are cracking and cooking with gas. So let us help you with it, guys. That's what we do. 704-345-3400, and I'll see you in the next video.